Hey everybody! So, just wanted to do a quick video of the ARESGAME power supply. It's an SFX 850 watt. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, ARES's 850 watt, 80 plus gold modular power supply. I got it for the server project because the power supply I had was too small. It was a 650 and I didn't have enough power to power all of my drives. All those. Anyways, so I grabbed this. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, so we have a manual. Something about that 12 pin connector. Who cares? I don't have it. Wow, that's actually kind of a thicker power supply cable. I like it. And then we have a power supply tester. Oh, okay. Oh, cool. So it means it just has that short. Yep, cool. I like that. What else do we got? Damn it. Okay, so the one thing I could not find is if it came with this ATX to SFX adapter plate. So I ordered one. I've already got it installed, but it does come with one. So yeah, I might be sending that other one back and just using this one. It does have some cable management stuff, which is kind of nice to see. And there is all of our modular cables, which, holy crap, that's a lot. I do like that on the Amazon listing, it did have a diagram of all the power cables and stuff that it did come with, so I like that. What else? Here's the power supply itself, and oh my goodness, I've never seen an SFX power supply before. It is so tiny. Let me grab a regular size. Okay, so here is my old. It is a 80 plus gold 600 watt, and this is a standard ATX, and this is an SFX power supply. That is just hilarious to me. How much smaller it is, which is great because I already didn't have enough room in this server. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this connected and show you it plugged in, I guess, for this video. Okay, here's to hoping it turns on and no grinding. Alright. So, I forgot an outro for this video. Basically, yeah, it powered on. It's been running for like 2 weeks straight, maybe 3. It hasn't been powered off since I installed it in my rack, and it's been working great. But I don't know. It's a power supply. It works. It has a 10-year warranty apparently. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.